don't want to live on the farm anymore. It's just chores all the time. I wonder what it's like out there in the city. I wonder what it's like out there past Plump County. I wonder...
Hazel, honey, the drought is killing the crops. If we don't get rain soon, we're gonna have nothing to harvest.
Mama, I love you and Dad so much. I go wrangle those clouds all by myself. Bring them down here like wild bulls.
You will release the rain clouds.
What was that? You hearing things? You need some sleep.
You will bring the rain. You will defeat the drought. Only you can reveal a time. A time.
Where am I?
You are in another dimension. I am Dwarf, the leader of the Harvest Guards. We fight for good crops in your dimension. We're specifically in charge of your county. This is Wendy. Wen?
Oh my gosh, you're really here. You're the chosen one. You were sent here to defeat the arid mob, the ones who keep the rain out of Plump County.
Wen. I can give her the details. And this is Andrew. And greetings.
Greetings. I can't believe you're here. This is going to be so awesome. You're going to help us make a time. We're going to use that time to go through a portal. You're going to help us stop the arid mob. We're going to be able to stop...
And you're confusing her. As Wen and blurted out, you were the one chosen to defeat the arid mob. These are the beings that are holding back the clouds that are supposed to come and bring rain to your county. The leader, Master Parch, and his henchmen, Ned and Johnny, if we defeat them, the rain will come back.
Now hold on just an apple-picking minute. I don't even know where I am. I've never been off the farm. I can wrestle cattle, but I know nothing about dealing with evil beings from another dimension.
Just stick with us, and you'll be fine. Most importantly, we know that you are the only one that can reveal a time.
A time?
We need to know the precise time when the portal to the arid mob's dimension opens up so we can go in, defeat them. You need to make the time appear right here.
How do I do that?
You have to take a test that the portal masters will project right here.
It will be a series of choices, and if you answer honestly, a time will appear right here.
I'll give it to you straight. Honesty is my specialty.
Okay, here comes the test. City?
I'm just being honest.
Plant. Ooh, that means they know you're being honest. That's really good. You're doing great. In. Situations. Like these? There comes a time. When you just have to stop. Step back. And really think about what's important. This mission. Stop acting like boneheads. There comes the time. Okay, it's 7. It's 7 right now. Jump! We made it. We're here.
There they are, and they are holding back the rain clouds.
You can't stop us. We're the masters of decay and death. We thrive on plants, drying up and make a mess all over the ground.
Yeah, We made a mess. A lot of messes. What a mess.
Why don't you go get him, Johnny, and beat him up?
Hold on your undies, Ned.
No. We're here to beat you up.
No way, you dummy. We're stronger than you.
Enough bickering! Behold my dry rain! No, not a plan in our dimension. No!
Did it! The portal! It's closing! Quick! We did it!
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Can't believe we did it.
We did it, man.
What is it, Hazel?
I've had a change of heart.
Hazel! Hazel! Hazel, wake up! It's raining, honey. The drought is over.
Wow, that's amazing! I just had a dream that I fought the arid mob. Well, the evil forces holding back the rain clouds from Plump County.
Well, honey, your dreams came true.
Well, I'll be darned tootin'.
Hazel! Hazel!
Sorry.
Wake up!
I'm sorry, that's my fault. I made her laugh. Ow, my knees. I'm an old man.
Well, let's check, see if that'll go.
Hazel, the drought is killing the...
Sorry, I started smiling.
Oh. Just stay down. Just stay down.
Oh, man.
You're good.
Hazel, wake up. You're awake. The drought is killing the crops. I said that so weird.
We thrive on plants drying up and making a mess. On the ground. We thrive on making a mess on the ground. We thrive on plants messing up and drying up and make a mess all over the ground.
Hazel, honey, the drought is killing the crops. Don't know what else to tell you about that.
It looks like bubble heads.
I'm so confused.
Well, I'll be darned tootin'. Quiet on set, woman.
Johnny. You're talking to Johnny.
Johnny, go beat them up. No way, you dummies. We're stronger than
Can't get
you.
closer. Try to strap him right there.
Plants dry up and make a big old mess on the ground.
Just to let you know, I kind of yawned while she's doing her
It's
line.
alright.